Welcome to the series premiere of Design Show Junkies. Well, I'll tell you what, after the first 90 days of quarantine, that those browns were starting to close in on me. During the painting process, I decided that the tile surrounding the fireplace just had to go. This is what is referred to in the home owning community as the as long as syndrome, which means that as long as you are doing this one thing, you might as well do this adjacent project over here at the same time. Overall, we were pretty pleased with the results. And then our daughter came down with quarantine fatigue and moved out. And so began the process of converting the vacated bedroom into an office space. So you think this is the last time we'll be doing this?
No. In here, you mean?
No, I mean, ever.
I don't know why it would be. Painting is so easy and cheap.
Yeah, definitely a lot easier and a lot cheaper than moving, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how many houses have we had?
This is our fifth.
This is our fifth? You don't count the Juno houses, 2 houses? You know, when
I'm
you
counting purchases,
no,
not
you're counting purchases.
rentals.
Okay. So 5 purchases. I think we've done cosmetic to every one except the Eagle River house, huh? Well, we did paint the exterior on that. We didn't do any interior things on that.
We just don't want to come out of quarantine having done nothing but eat pizza. Which is really all I feel like doing. Do you think I feel like doing this? I don't.
Well, we haven't had one pizza since we've been in quarantine.
No, we have not.
I'm so proud of us. So just how long does it take to complete a decorating project? I hate to tell you this because I know how smart you are, but if you're like most design lovers, you have very possibly bought into the misconception that decorating is fast or easy, but that's another discussion. On average, it takes about 5 long months. Long? Yes. Totally worth the wait? It is if you want a room that looks like a room from Pinterest, Houzz, or Fill in the Blank Design Magazine. Design being fast is one of the great myths the design-loving public has bought into, and if you chase that mirage, you will cause yourself untold stress. We are currently coming to the end of month 2 of this revamping process, with a ways to go. Next up, we are planning to color match the kitchen cabinets with the IKEA cabinets in the dining area. We still have 4 more rooms to paint, and the canvas prints that we ordered from some of my photographs will be here on Friday. But it will be like Christmas in July being able to move into the new office. Behind this door is a miracle. The miracle is that we are able to actually park a car in here. Now, where's that laminator? Oh, there it is. Thanks for watching.